Okay, so I'm going to start by going in with my Rimmel Matte Perfection, and I'm just going to use this to kind of prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take my sponge and just blend this out. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend and this Real Techniques contour brush to set my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and lay some tape down on my outer corners. I'm going to start by going into this shade right here, which is Silk Cream. And I'm going to take that on a E27 brush. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Next, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is Butter. And I'm going to put that in my crease as well. I'm going to go in with Pukey, which is right here, with an M433 brush, and I'm going to put this directly in my crease. Going back in with the E27, I'm just going to kind of blend all this together. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and put this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take a Morphe M224. I'm going to put this on the inner corner. I'm going to take this flat foundation brush and I'm going to go into the shade right here, which is Obsessed. And I'm going to lay this right over that glitter primer. Getting a little bit more glitter primer, I'm going to place this down on the outer corner. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for Obsessed and I'm going to go into this blue right here, and this is Twerk. And I'm going to place this right here where I put that glitter primer. I'm going to go back in with the glitter primer. I'm going to go back into Obsessed. I'm going to kind of place this in the center so that I can get a good blend between the two shadows. So I'm just going to go back and forth with each side of the brush, blending. I'm going to take my M433 and go back into Pukey and place this right here on this outer corner and just kind of smoke it into that blue shadow and into my crease. I have no idea where this is going, but okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down a little bit more glitter primer on the outer edge. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down Twerk right over it. Now I'm going to take my M433 and I'm going to go into Twerk. Okay, so I'm just going to go right back into Obsessed with the other side that we used. And I'm going to just place it right in the inner corner to kind of bring that shade back to life. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my base, and since it's in other videos, I'm not going to film it because I feel like you guys have seen it enough. So yeah, I'm going to go do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, Alright guys, so I have done my base and I wanted to come back on camera so that I could do my lower lash line and my mascara. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the NYX glitter primer and I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take the same Morphe M24 brush and put this on my lower lash line. And this is just giving the shadow something to stick to. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. eyeliner brush and I'm going to go into Obsessed and kind of stamp this on the inner part. Then I'm going to go into, oh that was the wrong one. I'm going to go into Twerk and put this on the outer corner. Lower lash line is done. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara so that I can get my eyelashes prepped for the falsies. And I'm just using the Great Lash mascara. I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm going to go back in with Obsessed and just put that right in my inner corner. Oh, that's the wrong one. Obsessed. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are going to be these Miss 3D volume lashes, and these are in the style M301. And I'm just going to use my Kiss lash glue to put them on. I'm going to complete the look by going in with some bottom lash mascara. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I'm really happy with the way that it came out. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what's on the rest of my face. I primed using my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer, which I love. I'm in love with this thing. My foundation, I used the Fit Me Smooth and Dewy Maybelline foundation. To conceal my under eyes, I used the Wet n Wild Come Correct, which I will not be using again because the consistency of this is just so sticky that it made my under eyes look really dry, and I can't do it. So I'm going to be getting rid of this, but I did want to try it one more time just to make sure that I didn't like it, because you know sometimes if you use a product differently or with the different products it works better, but this was just no. To set my under eyes, I used my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder as usual. And to set my whole face, I used my CoverGirl True Blend Pressed Powder. To bronze my face, I used my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. I love this bronzer. For highlight, I used my Profusion Pro Highlight Palette. And I used this shade right down here called Burr. I am obsessed with this highlight, you guys. Like, do y'all see that? So, like, any opportunity I get to use the blue highlight out of here, I definitely use it. For lips, I use the Maybelline lipstick in Truffle Tease. Y'all know I can't get enough of this. And the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. And for lashes, I have on the Miss 3D Volume Lashes in the shade M301. I love these lashes. They're so super affordable and they look really good. And for my eyes, I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And for my eyebrows, I use the Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade, which is an all-time favorite of mine. I think that concludes everything that I've used on my face. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know any video suggestions that you guys may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos planned for you guys. So yeah, I think that's about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.